It's been a good day biking, but this last bit is pretty hard because it's all crappy. All right, successful ride today. Celebrating with a couple of beers. Didn't start off so great. Our bikes were gone when we got here, and we think that they were taken by the police. Confiscated. Then we went to the police, and they weren't very nice. So we just still don't have bikes. We rented them, and we had a great day. It was a good day. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.